Hello everyone, so today's tutorial is on a paper plane. This paper plane resembles a bat and it is a very efficient one. I have done one myself. So to start with, you'll be needing one A4 sheet, a pencil and a ruler. So what you do that, first thing you fold it into half, okay? And then you fold it again, and then you fold it again here. So when you fold this, you'll get 4 folds. Okay, now, once you are done with this, you draw a line from this corner to this corner, so that's a diagonal line. And one thing that you have to do, that you have to press slightly the pencil over the paper so that you get a good scoring line, because you're going to fold over here. So once you have drawn the line, it should look something like this. Then repeat the same process on the other part. So you start here to here, so when you have drawn, it should look something like this. Okay, now then you fold on this line. The fold should be easy to make because you have pressed the pencil over the paper, not too hard. Now, once you have folded, the paper should look something like this. Okay, then you take this corner and then you have to fold it till here. So it should look something like this. Okay, then again you repeat the same process from here to here. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Then you open it like this, and this part, this tip should come here. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Then you take this corner, you fold it till it reaches here. And then you repeat the same process. This corner, it comes here. Okay, so once you have done this, you fold this along this line. So this you have to fold along this line. Okay, it should look like this. Then you fold this here. Okay, now once you have done this, you can fold it. So this is how it should look like. And now we're going to divide this part into two. So then you're going to draw a line here. You don't need to measure it. So again, here you have to press slightly the paper with a pencil to get a nice and neat scoring lines. So it should look something like this. Now we fold along these lines. So here you have your butt paper plane, and feel free to try it and share with this video with your friends.